So, all right, let me move this out of the way. I hope that you are having a great week so far. I am. Thank you guys. If you're watching the replay of this or the recording, whether it be on Facebook or what do you call it? YouTube. That's it. So I appreciate you guys watching, and thank you so much for your support and all that stuff. Let's see. I just have a couple of announcements to make. Don't forget, oh, I hit the last button last time. I don't want to do that. Let me go to here. There we go. So don't forget about Paper Pumpkin. It's going to be, I think it's going to have the in colors in it. It also, it may have or it does have, I need to put my glasses on so I can see this. It's been a while since I read this. Subscribe by May 10th, so you have until May 10th, and you'll have a chance to win a golden voucher worth $25 of product. Yay! Who doesn't like that, right? So make sure you subscribe to that. That is an awesome kit. If you have any questions about it, you can contact me. Please contact me, and I will be very happy to answer any questions that you have. Okay, so let's go to this one. What is this one? Okay, so this is the Share Hope. This is a past kit that Stampin' Up! Is, excuse me, is making available again. You do not have to, this is not a subscription. You can just order this, and it's at 50% off, and you have until June 14th or until while supplies last. And I haven't checked it, so I'm not sure if it is still available. Let's see, then my In Color Club. So you guys, time is running out to register for this if you'd like to be a part of this. Last day to register is April 30th, which is just in a few days. There is postings on this in my Facebook page. Tells you everything that you'll be getting. This is so little, I don't think I can read it. Let me see if I can blow it up a little bigger. Okay, so what you'll get is it's $60 a month plus $9 priority shipping. And you will get one pack of cardstock. Each month, you're in colors. You'll get a pack of cardstock. You'll get an ink pad, an ink refill, a Stampin' Write marker, 2 blends, the light and the dark, 8 6x6 sheets of designer series paper, 1 spool of the metallic woven ribbon. Oh, I misspelled woven. I've got waving. 1 spool of twine, and a hand stamped card featuring the color of the month for you. Okay, so, and then the last month you'll get a thank you gift from me, which would be a full pack of the In Color Matte decorative dots. So if you have any questions, please just contact me with that, and I'll be happy to answer those as well. So next Thursday, which is a week and 1 day from today, it's party time. So we're going to be doing a BOGO sale with my retired progress product. And let's see, bring a friend, and I'll have a gift for you. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to make 6 cards. Let's see, the new catalog will be here. Some of you may have already gotten your new catalogs, or you'll be getting them soon. And then if you don't have a catalog, come and you will get one. This is our SVP. This is a class, but I'm just doing a couple extra things. I've also decided that I'm going to have a door prize. It is going to be at least $20 to $25 worth of free product. So you want to come just to get into that drawing so that maybe you can win some free stuff. Anyway, like I said, it's going to be a lot of fun. I'll post a link for you to register for this. Class is $25, $20, or with a minimum purchase of $25. Okay, but you're going to want to buy, you're going to want the BOGOs. So yeah, you want to get a lot of free stuff in there. If you need a catalog, please contact me and I will get one to you. Also, don't forget about my, I think I put the wrong thing up here. Okay. So anyway, if you are not getting my newsletters, but you have signed up for them, please check your spam and your junk folders because it may have gone in there. Also, if you're not on my email list, I'll post a link for you to sign up for that. Hey, Chris, that is it's a good thing to be on because you can't always rely on Facebook to get you everything that I post. And right now I'm behind on posting too. So everything comes through email, all updates, classes, all that kind of stuff. Plus every month I send you in the newsletter, you get a free card tutorial that is exclusively only for my email peeps or friends. And last but least, here is the host code. It says March, but it's actually April. Let me check that real quick and make sure because, oh, never mind, I'm not going to check it. I'm pretty sure that's the host code. If it's not and you guys have problems, just please reach out to me and I'll fix that. I'll make sure that the right host code is posted in the description, either above or below, depending on where you're watching from. And let's see, I think that's it. So let's get back to here. So, whew, sometimes it seems like that's a whole lot of stuff going on there, and I'm sure I missed something. But let's see. Let's go ahead and pan down because I'm sure you guys are ready to get to the fun stuff. So let me change our camera, our view. There we go. All right. So let me show you the card. I also want to get rid of this so it's not in the way. So let's go ahead and hide that. Okay. So this is the card we're going to be making. Isn't this pretty? It's very simple. Excuse, I did smear it. It wasn't quite dry and I wiped it and it smeared a little. And I stamped that upside down. But this is just a rough thing that I did. This is done with actually it's not stamped upside down. I'm holding it upside down. Jeez, Tina, get it together. Okay, so this is using the Dragonfly stamp set. Dragonfly Garden right here. The bundle is retiring here in just a couple of days. So if you don't have this and you want this bundle that comes with the Dragonfly punch, and you save 10% by buying them as a bundle, you want to do that before before the bundle retires. The stamp set and the punch is carrying over, but you won't be able to buy them as a bundle. Okay, so this is what we're going to be using. I'm also bringing in the sentiment from a retiring stamp set as well. It is, I believe it's gone though. It's no longer available. It's sold out, so you won't be able to get that unless you come to my BOGO if you live close by. It might be in the BOGO. I have not 100% sure if I'm ready to let go of that stamp set. It's timeless, tropical, and oh my gosh, I love it so much. Let's see. Okay, so what we need here is a piece of early espresso. This is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then we have a piece of basic white. I don't think I finished telling you guys this. This is early espresso. I use berry vanilla, but I'm going to use basic white for this one. And then crumb cake. So, and this is 5 1/4 by 4. And then we have a piece of crumb cake that we're going to do our stamping on. And this is 3 1/4 by 5. Okay, so let's go ahead and I am going to stamp our sentiment. Let's get that out of the way. I'm going to use the Timeless Tropics. I love this sentiment right here that says, our friendship is timeless. And I thought it was really cute when I was doing this card for today, which I'm very grateful that I did ahead of time because my schedule went wonko. But anyway, I thought it was fitting because this is kind of like worn, like time. So, yeah, I thought it was cool. So I'm going to use some early espresso. And let me move this aside and let me get this up here. And let me make sure that I'm going to stamp that right. And hopefully I can stamp this straight. We're just going to stamp it on the top, in the center, as straight as we can. I need to put my glasses on because that looks really blurry. Wow, My eyesight's getting bad. Okay, again, I sure hope it does not come to a day when I can't see, because no, that won't happen. Because if I can't see to stamp and make cards and little gift boxes and bags, I'm not going to be a happy camper. So therefore, I will do whatever I have to do. Okay, we're going to take this Dragonfly out. We're going to block it up. We're going to ink it up in early espresso. And then we're just going to try to decide where we want these dragonflies to go. And I think when I did this, I did it in this, I wanted it to go in this direction. And actually, that is the right direction that I wanted it. Was this way, not this way. This way. I'll get it together. Maybe by the end of the live, I will have everything together. I doubt it, but maybe. Okay, and then this one, we're going to do just at an angle like that. So really, if that's all you wanted to do, that is still pretty in itself. And all that is ink stamps and paper. Pretty cool, huh? And then if you wanted to dress it up, you could put some ribbon, you could put some embellishments. But on this card, I did some splattering. So we're going to do the same thing with that. I'm going to go ahead and adhere this down. Hi, Lynette. Glad you're here. Okay, so let's put some glue. This is a new bottle of glue, so it's going to come out good for me. If I don't stick my finger in it, which knowing me, I probably will. All right, there we go. So that is down. And then we're going to put this down. And, you know, we could pop this up a little. I didn't pop that one up, but I think I'm just going to play around and pop it up. And I don't know. Do you guys like the splatter? Do you like the splatter look outside of my little smears? And which color do you like best? Do you like it with the basic white or with the very vanilla? I really think the very vanilla is really pretty and kind of helps make it look a little timeless. You know what? I got ahead of myself, and I'm going to put these backings back on there. Because we're using basic white, I kind of wanted to come in with my blending brush and just kind of smear that around just a little, just to kind of age it a little bit. That's why I really like the Very Vanilla, because to me, the Very Vanilla already looks a little aged. But that's just what I'm going to do. I'm just going to come in here and do this. So easy, so pretty. Not hard at all. You can do this. I know that you can, even if you've never tried your hand at stamping. This is an easy card to do, an easy tool to work with. So now I'm going to come in and I am going to blend this edge. I'm going to do this one a little darker just because. Didn't do the other one as dark. This one I think I do, because you know what? We're just playing and we're having fun, and that is what it's all about. Hey, Anna, glad you could be with us today. Thank you so much. Like I said, this is really all about having fun, because if you're not having fun, what's the point? And even if you mess up, nobody knows what your original design was, so they're not going to know. All right, so now I am going to put this, if I can get things the right way, just like so. Let's pull these off. I'm losing y'all's comments here. Oh, thank you. Thank you for sharing. Yeah, I love dragonflies too. I also love butterflies. You guys remember not too long ago, I kept calling these butterflies. I don't know why, but I don't have that on there right. Did I cut my paper wrong? It would not doubt me one bit if I did. I did a little bit, or either that I stamped that crooked, one of the two. Okay, but it's all right because nobody's going to really know. So we're good. All right, so we have one last thing to do on here. So I'm going to bring in my early espresso. I'm going to squeeze this. This is one of the older pads, so it squeezes easy. Or you could stamp it on a block, on an acrylic block if you wanted to too, just like so. And then we're going to put a little water on that. I am going to get that all nice and then just splatter. I love that look so much. I have fun doing this kind of stuff. I love it. I'm getting it on my poor table. My poor table. I try to save it, but I'm just messy. That's all there is to it. I stuck my finger in that too. So anyway, that's all you do, just to give it that little bit of timeless look, or I think it's timeless look anyway. And then we're just going to clean off our brush. You squeeze the water and just clean it out until it wipes clear. And it's clean. All right. I'm also going to wipe this off because that's a disaster around me. And we're going to close this up. Now, if you wanted to, you could still add some rhinestones to this. Again, you could have put ribbon along the side here. But I'm going to just leave that just like that. So that is what I have for you. So you guys tell me which color combination you like. Just ignore the smears. And if you like the very vanilla or if you like the basic white. The basic white to me looks, oh, Stephanie loved dragonflies. Oh, the basic white to me looks a little brighter, but I think it's turned out very pretty. I love it. Again, it's a very simple card to make, but just using a little ink stamps and paper. So there we go. So anyway, you guys, if you live locally, don't forget about my BOGO class next Thursday. If you haven't registered for it, I hope that you do. I'll put a link down below for you to register for it. Everything that I talked about will have links for them. The Paper Pumpkin subscription. Let's see, what else did I have on there? I don't remember. Oh, my In Color. I'm telling you guys, I am losing my mind. It has been so busy for me with my personal life and trying to keep up with my business and trying to plan the BOGO because I really want it to be fun and nice for everybody. Oh, and let me mention to you guys, seats are limited, and I think I have probably about 3-4 seats. I might be able to have 5 seats left. So if you want to get in on that, please RSVP ASAP. So register for the class. I'll put the link, like I said. Thank you so much for joining me. And I am very sorry that it was not a very long Facebook Live today. Trying to get back to the other camera. I think I did it. I hope. Yay! Okay, so yeah, so I apologize. It's not a long Facebook Live today, but I know that a lot of you are very busy, and it probably is helpful for it not to be too long. But I hope that you enjoyed this card. It's a very simple card. It can be a masculine card or a card for a woman, girl, however, whichever, not however, whichever. So I am gonna go because I have some posting that I need to get caught up with. I have more stuff. I got some catalogs that's come in, so I need to put all my stickers on them, and got a lot to do. This girl's busy. Okay, I will see you guys next week, if not sooner. Same time, same place. You guys have a great rest of the week. May it be blessed. And that's it. So doodle-dee-doo. And you guys know how this works. I have to come over here and